Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tracy, for those that don't already know. Well, now you know. As promised, I have a hair tutorial today. I know this is not the cutest hairstyle, but I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle. I'm just gonna remove the hair tie. I seriously have my hair in a bun almost every day. So let's play with some hair.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
I'm going to be doing an updo, and by the picture you clearly know what I'm going to be doing, and I hope that you do like it. Please make sure that you do give this video a thumbs up if you do like these types of videos, so I know what kind of videos to do more on my channel. When I do updo, I like using some type of product on my hair just to prevent a lot of flyaways or to tame any frizz. I'm taking a little bit of Small Talk by TG. As you can see, it's like a little cream. You just kind of work it into your hands when you start playing with your hair just to make sure that stuff stays in place. I'm going to take a section here. I'm going to take a small hair tie and just tie this here, just like that. Still have like the stickiness of the product and just kind of like tame the little hairs. So I'm just going to grab this and just bring it forward, clip it down, repeat. So all I'm going to be doing is just using a shaping brush to smooth out the hairs and just tying it back as I did with the one before. So it should look like this now, and just clip that forward and just repeat once again. With this bottom part, I have a lot of baby hairs, so I'm using the same shaping brush to smooth out the hairs and just tying it back. Alright, so now that you have your 3 ponytails, you're going to take your curler and you want to just curl the ends. So I'm going to move this to the side just so it doesn't get in the way. I'm going to divide this section by 2. You only want to have your ends curled, but since I have short hair, the ends are my hair. I am curling my hair because not only does it give it more texture, but I'm used to doing this hairstyle with longer hair. And with longer hair, if your ends stick out of the hairstyle, it looks really cute. Alright, so now that it looks like that, you're just going to go ahead and start braiding it. And as you have it like this, you kind of want to start stretching this part out. And kind of exaggerate on them. Keep in mind, I can't really see the back of my head, but so once it's stretched out like that, take another hair tie and tie the end. So it should look like this. Okay, bring that forward, clip it, and just go ahead and repeat the steps to both ponytails that are left. Alright, so if your braids look like this, you did a good job. They just look a little bit wider. You have to pull on them, make sure that they're pretty. So this hairstyle, I've done it with my longer hair. This is the first time I do it with my short hair. So if you have longer hair, it works so much better. You just have to kind of tie this around and pin it down. But since my hair is a little bit shorter, I'm gonna try to work it a different way. And I'm gonna lay this part flat and just kind of put a bobby pin and hold it in place there. I'm going to take this back over on this side and kind of tuck it in. Take another bobby pin and just I'm going to put this braid this way. And bring it over this way here. And then this braid, I'm going to bring it over. I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover in this part. All I'm doing is bringing the braid over and making it into a loop and just bobby pinning that into place. I'm going to clean up this hairstyle by putting some hairspray onto my shaping brush. And the shaping brush, it has a lot of bristles to make sure that your hair kind of stays tamed down. And just fixing any flyaways. I decided to bring in some hair right there on my sideburns, and I feel like that kind of makes it look more elegant. Taking some more hair spray and fixing the rest of my hair. The key to having an updo last all day is hairspray. Hairspray is going to be your best friend. I'm going to take the sideburns and just kind of curl them. Make myself look classy, you know? I don't know about you guys, but the back of my head has like the most baby hairs ever, so just making sure that those are tucked away. And putting on some pretty earrings to make this look even more elegant. Yep, and that's it. Voila! What do you think? Well, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I want to thank you guys for your engagement in the polls that I create on my Instagram. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and turn on post notifications. I will see you guys in my next video.